Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Houwzer, detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale with Houwzer, start by understanding the Houwzer model. Research the unique features that differentiate Houwzer from traditional brokerages. Identify your target market within the real estate industry. Develop a comprehensive business plan focused on leveraging Houwzer's technology and services. Establish a strong online presence through social media and a professional website. Utilize Houwzer's marketing tools to generate leads and enhance visibility. Implement a client relationship management system to streamline communication. Foster partnerships with local businesses to expand your network. Attend local networking events, workshops, and real estate seminars to increase exposure. Train your team on Houwzer's platform and procedures to ensure consistency and efficiency. Utilize data analytics to track your performance and identify areas for improvement. Regularly engage with clients to maintain relationships and encourage referrals. Optimize your listings with high-quality photos and engaging descriptions. Develop a scalable process for handling client inquiries and transactions. Focus on customer service to enhance client satisfaction and loyalty. Adapt your strategies based on market trends and consumer feedback. Continuously seek professional development opportunities for yourself and your team. Monitor your growth metrics to measure success and adjust your strategy as needed. Celebrate milestones with your team to maintain morale and motivation. Stay informed of industry changes and innovations that could impact your business. Maintain a flexible approach to adapt and pivot as necessary in a changing market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.